Okay, so here we have kind of a generic clock here. It's not actually with numbers on it as a clock would be, because what we're doing here is we're replicating the function of a tachometric tachometer for a 4-cylinder vehicle, 12 volts I believe as well, right?
Yeah.
12 volts, whose points are opening and closing. I mean, originally a tachometric was a very complicated mechanical device that used a cable. But here, we're going to open and close the points at various different frequencies here by our inventor here, Joe. So go ahead and do that, Joe. You're going to change the frequency just as though the points were opening and closing faster or slower. And what we get is an interesting duplication of the movement of a tachometric tachometer. I mean, of a chronometric. I keep saying tachometric. I mean chronomatic tachometer. So go ahead and turn off the engine here, and she should come, and it'll step down to 0, which is characteristic of the chronometric tachometers. So this actually has an electronic device in it that that my friend here, Joe, built, and this registers according to the opening and closing of the points on a 4-cylinder engine, and duplicates that look. We don't have it hooked up to an ignition distributor right now, but if we did, it would increase and decrease just like that chronometric unit does. So thank you for watching, and contact us if you're interested in this movement.